Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make crab origami. First, take a square piece of paper, perhaps 6 inches by 6 inches for a good starting size. Fold it diagonally in half, creasing it well to form a triangle. Then, unfold the paper completely. Now, repeat this diagonal fold in the opposite direction, making sure your creases are sharp. These initial folds create important guidelines for the next steps in our easy crab. Now, let's form the main body. Take the top and bottom corners of your paper and fold them inward so they meet precisely at the center point. This creates a kite-like shape. Next, flip your paper over to the other side. Take the 2 side corners and fold them inward as well, aligning them with the center line. Press down firmly to establish these creases, which will define the crab's central body. It's time to give our crab its distinctive features. Take the bottom 2 points and fold them upward, forming the initial shape of the crab's legs. For the claws, make small accordion folds on the top 2 points, creating a segmented look. These folds will give the claws their characteristic pinch. Finally, gently curve the paper to add some 3-dimensional quality, making your origami crab truly come to life. We're almost done. Take a moment to adjust the legs and claws, ensuring they look balanced and natural. You can gently curl the tips of the legs for a more realistic effect. For a final touch, grab a marker and draw 2 small eyes on the top of your crab's head, bringing its personality to life. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Your finished crab is ready to display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.